Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I will show you this smart WhatsApp AI assistant that answers customers' questions and guides them towards the best add-ons, bundles and premium upgrades based on their last purchase. It helps customers discover better versions, money-saving combos and related accessories all in a friendly and conversational way. So to create this WhatsApp AI agent, all I needed was this knowledge base that I have created inside my Google Docs account and the subscription of Pabbly Chatflow. So without any delay, let me show you a real-time example of how this WhatsApp AI assistant will work. So for that, I will just open my WhatsApp account, and in this chat, as soon as I will send this keyword, hello, I need help, you will see that this WhatsApp AI assistant will get triggered instantly and it will send me a welcome message inside my chat. So here I have received my welcome message. Now I will ask some questions from this AI assistant, and to get my questions I will open this particular knowledge base, and in here you can see I have added all of the details about my business in this question and answer format. So if I will ask this particular question from this AI agent, you will see that this WhatsApp AI agent will reply me with the same text that I have added just below this particular question inside my knowledge base. So here my AI agent has replied me. Now I will ask one more question from this knowledge base. So you can see this time I will select this particular question, example upsell recommendation for skincare, and I will copy it from here and I will ask it from this chat here. But then you will see that this WhatsApp AI agent will reply me instantly with the text that I have added just below this particular question inside my knowledge base. So here I have also received a reply for this particular text. This means that this WhatsApp chatbot is working all fine. So this was the demo of this WhatsApp AI agent. Now I will show you a step-by-step process of how you can also create such an amazing WhatsApp AI assistant for your business. So to start creating this WhatsApp AI assistant, first of all we have to go on this new tab and enter this pabbly.com/chatflow, and by pressing this enter button you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, where on the right corner you will see that these two different buttons, sign in and sign up free, are given to you. By clicking on the sign up free button, new users have to create their free account, and by creating their free account they can avail 100 free credits every month that Pabbly Chatflow gives to every new user. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on this sign in button. But before moving further, I would like to discuss with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. Pabbly has this amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members, where individuals share their ideas and ask questions to our experts. Here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video, so you can go and join our community from there. Now being an existing user, I will go back to this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and in here I will click on this sign in button. This will get me directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow, that's why I will click on this access now button. This will get me directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And when you are inside the dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is you have to add your WhatsApp number by clicking on this button given here, and you can select any of these two different methods, WhatsApp Connect method and manual token connect method, to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And on the left side here you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that you just have to check out the link of those videos that I have added in the description box of this video. And after adding your WhatsApp number, to start creating a WhatsApp AI assistant for yourself, you have to click on this AI assistant given on the left side here. And after that you will get directed on this particular page. In here you can see these are all the AI assistant that I have created for myself. So first of all, this is the exact same AI assistant that I have shown you in the beginning of this video. So I will deactivate this WhatsApp AI assistant from here, but before deactivating this from here, I have to disable this AI assistant from my chat. So I will open this inbox and I will disable this particular AI assistant from this particular chat. So I will open this chat, and here I will select this turn off button, and I will select the status as open. Then I will click on this save button. Now you can see this assistant is disabled successfully for this chat. Now I can deactivate this AI assistant from this particular page here. So I will deactivate it, and then to start creating a new WhatsApp AI assistant, I will click on this add AI assistant button. But before that we have to give a meaningful name to our AI assistant. So I will name my AI assistant as this AI upsell agent, that is boost AOV on WhatsApp, and then I will press this add AI assistant button. After that you will see that I will get directed on a window where I have to work on 4 simple steps to create this AI agent. So you can see these are the 4 simple steps: AI instructions, knowledge source, assistant interface, and at last this styling. So first of all, let us work on this button, AI instructions. So for this instruction type, I will click on this drop down and I will select this AI agent because I want to create an AI agent for myself. And inside this instructions box, you can see this role and constraints of this AI agent has already been mentioned. So if you want to add anything else in this box, then you can do that by typing down that particular data manually in here. And these instructions provide your AI assistant that how it should respond to your users, and it must include the key information like audience, purpose and style to customize the assistant. And for this AI configuration, you can see inside this temperature, the 0.5 has been set automatically. So this temperature sets how creative the AI's answers are. 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So that's why to maintain balance between focus and creativity, this 0.5 has been set automatically. And you can also increase or decrease this particular temperature by clicking on these arrows given here. And for the select AI to use, I will select this open AI, and inside this model I will select this GPT-4 Omni. After that, we have to enter an API key inside this box, but to get this API key you have to buy a subscription of open AI. And after that, when you will click on this hyperlink given here, you will get directed on this particular page. Here first of all you have to log into your open AI platform. After that, this plus button will be visible to you, so you have to click on this create new secret key button, and you have to give a name to your secret key. So like I will give a name to this particular key as this Jai test key, and then when I will press this create secret key button, then my secret key will get created successfully. So here I just have to copy it from here and I have to paste it inside this particular box like this. And then when I will press this connect button, you will see that our OpenAI key is saved successfully. Now for this AI assistant settings, you can see we have got these 5 different settings. So if I want to use any one of them, I just have to turn them on from here. And then if I want to use this header message, then I will enter a header inside this particular box like this hello there, and then this header will be visible to my customers. But if I do not want to use this, so I will turn it off from here. And for this footer message, the same goes. If I want to use this, I will turn it on, but if I do not want to use this, I will turn it off from here. And for this stop keyword, I will turn it on from here. And then inside this box we have to enter a keyword. So to do that, we just have to type down the keyword and press this enter button. So this stop keyword is added successfully. Now whenever your customer will send this keyword inside this chat, your WhatsApp AI agent will stop replying to them. But as I do not want to use this, so I will turn it off from here. And inside this retry attempt, in this particular box, you can enter the number in the range of 1 to 10 to give the number of fallback retry attempts to your customer if the AI assistant fails to respond. So as I do not want to use this, so I will turn it off from here. And inside this fallback message, this particular text has been written. So this message will get displayed to your customer when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. So with this, I have successfully completed our first step. So now we will move towards this knowledge source. And in here, we have to upload a file to connect knowledge unique to our business, and it must include the FAQs, company background and more that your chatbot can utilize when answering questions. So basically this knowledge base is the brain of your AI assistant, and in this knowledge base you have to add every minute details about your business which your chatbot can utilize while answering the questions of your customers. So you can see I have already created this knowledge base for myself. So I will download this knowledge base from here. For that I have to click on this file, and here I will select this downloads. Now I will select this particular format .txt, and I will download this knowledge base in this particular format. Now I will show you inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. The limitations for this file are size must be less than 90 MB, and the accepted formats are .txt and .pdf, and there is no page limit for text PDFs, but if the PDF has images, it's limited to 10 pages. So as I have downloaded my knowledge base, so I will drag it in from here and I will drop it in here. After that, you will see that my file will get processed successfully. So here our file is uploaded and processed successfully. So we will move towards this assistant's interface, and in here you can see this particular box is shown to us. So this is how your display heading name will look to you. So if you want to change that, then you can type down any other text inside this box, like I have typed down the name of my brand in here, and this is how the subheading name will look to you. You can also change it by typing down the text inside this box. For this initial message, this hi there, how can I help you today is entered. You can also add one more message inside this box. Just type down the keyword and press this enter button. And as I do not want to use this, so I will delete it from here, and there can be only 2 initial messages inside this box. For this powered by Pabbly, you can enable or disable it by selecting it from this drop down. And this privacy policy, this is a hyperlink which you can create by typing down the text inside this footer text box and pasting the link inside this footer link box. For this user first message, you can see this I need help is written. So if you want to change this, then you can type any other text inside this box to change it. completed. Now we will move towards this last step, styling. So here I can style my WhatsApp AI assistant, like I can change the theme into light or dark, I can change the shape into circle, square or rounded square, or I can also change the background color if I want to from here, but as I do not want to change them, so I will let them remain as it is. And with this I have successfully completed the creation of my WhatsApp AI agent. Now I will just turn it on from here, and then I will click on this save AI assistant button. So here our AI assistant is saved successfully. Now if you want to use this AI assistant from your website, then for that you have to click on this embed button, and when you will copy the script from here and paste it inside your website, then this particular AI assistant will work from your website. Now we have to check this WhatsApp AI assistant if this is working properly or not, but before that we have to enable this AI assistant inside one of my chat. So I will open my inbox, and inside this particular chat I will click on this choose AI assistant, and from this drop down I will select this particular AI assistant which I have created right now. Then I will click on this save button, and you can see our AI assistant is enabled successfully for this particular chat. Now you must be wondering that what if you want to enable this AI assistant for bulk of your chats? So that is absolutely possible. For that you have to go inside the settings, and from here you have to select this inbox settings, and then inside this inbox settings you have to scroll down to the bottom. After that you have to click on this button enable AI auto replies, and then from this contact list here you have to select that particular list for which you want to enable this AI auto replies. And after that from the second box here you have to select that particular AI agent which you want to enable for your contact list. And after that when you will click on this save button, this particular AI assistant will get enabled for all of your contacts inside this particular list which you have selected here. So here I have also shown you how you can enable this WhatsApp AI assistant for bulk of your contacts. Now I will open my WhatsApp account to see if this WhatsApp AI agent is working properly or not. So in here I will again send this keyword hello. Then we will see that this WhatsApp AI agent will get triggered instantly, and it will send me a welcome message. So here I have received this welcome message from this AI assistant. Now I will ask some more question. So I will open this knowledge base, and I will copy this particular question, what if customer asks for a bestseller suggestion, and I will copy it from here and I will ask it from this. So I will paste it in here, and then you will see that this WhatsApp AI agent will reply me with the same text that I have added just below this question inside my knowledge base. So here I have received the reply from my AI agent. This means that this WhatsApp AI agent is working all fine. So this is how you can create such an amazing AI assistant for your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this was it for this video, and if you like this video then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel, and for more such amazing videos please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp chatbots to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and for your queries you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check up this following website. Now what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.